In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ShareChat keeps stopping error on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're trying to open your app and constantly it returns this error, then you need to find your app. So I'll go to my ShareChat app here. Now, the reason you are receiving this error, most likely it's because of two things. One, it's because there is a glitch on your app that needs to be fixed, or you are using an outdated version of ShareChat app. So let's see how we can fix both. Now, to fix any glitch with your app, which might be the most likely reason, you need to access ShareChat app info page, and you can do this through settings. But a shortcut method is just to go to your app and long press on it, and you should see app info or a settings gear around here, or even the name of the app. Tap on it and you will access ShareChat app info page. Here, first go to force stop app, tap on it, and this will make sure that any background activity that might be causing this issue will stop. Then go to clear data down below and tap on it, then go to clear cache, and finally okay. Once you're done, now you'll need to restart your smartphone and go to your ShareIt app, try opening it, and now everything should be okay. However, if this does not solve your problem, then use the second method, and that is to update your app to the latest version. For that, go to Google Play Store or App Store on your smartphone and search for your app. Find out if you have any update, then update your app to the latest version. Once you're done, now you should open your app and you should be able now to use it without any issue. So that's how you can fix ShareChat app keeps stopping. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.